Welcome, dear friends. I hope you all will be fine. So friends, today I have brought a new website for you where you can earn by mining USDT or TRX Tron and other cryptocurrency coins. The link of the website is available in the description of the video. You have to click on the link and you will get an interface like this. Instead of account, first enter your username password without space, select your country code, then enter your phone number, email address, click on register button. After login account, you will see an interface like this and you will get 3000 TRX sign up bonus. After that, click on invest button. You can see all VIP packages details. If you deposit minimum 1 TRX to 1000 TRX, your daily income 9 to 10%. And if you deposit 1000 and above, your daily income 10 to 11% for deposit. Click on deposit now button, then click on transfer to smart account. You can see deposit address or QR code copy address and go to your wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance or anyone you have. I have Trust Wallet, so I open the Trust Wallet account and select TRX. Click on send, paste the link you copied here, and select the number of TRX you want to deposit. So I want deposit 20, then I put 20 TRX and send payment back to your website. Click on recharge complete button, then refresh it 2 to 3 times and wait few seconds. You can see my deposit has been confirmed, 20 TRX in my account. After that, click on income button and you can see VIP is running. Under 24 hours you can receive your daily income. After 24 hours, just click on Teton. Your daily income will be added in your account. It's depend on your deposit package. After that, you can easily withdraw. Before withdraw, first of all you need to bind your wallet address. Click on bind wallet address button, enter your wallet address, security password. For withdrawal you have to click on your submit button. Add your wallet. I added a wallet. In the first, select withdrawal amount, minimum 10 TRX. I want withdraw 10 TRX, so I write 10 TRX, enter withdrawal password, and then click on submit button. But you can see here you can accept that you can invite your friends. Click on share friends button, copy link and share with friends. You can generate passive income from referrals. So guys, if you face any problem, you can contact with customer service or helpline service. Now you can see withdrawal has been received in my wallet. I hope you liked the video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, then subscribe so that you can get more earning videos. Thank you.